Yeah.
DSM.
Yo, listen.
Yeah.
We bringing some attention to the stock market.
Gotta get your bread up.
You feel me? That's right. Norway, the stock explorer from Florida. Let's go. Stop.
Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to the Stock Explorer channel. My name is Nora. Guys, I usually go live on Friday mornings. Been doing that for several months now. From now on, guys, I'm going to probably be going live either Friday nights or Saturday mornings. Let me know which one is best for you, what time slot is best for you guys. Before I get started and too far into the live stream, I want to say that I've been a part of the Capitalist Academy for about 2 years now, guys. I always post a link to the Capitalist Academy up in my banner, guys. If you look on my community tab, you're going to see a video called Weekly Recap, guys. Please do yourself a favor. If you're investing, if you're trading, go ahead and check out that video. That is who runs the Capitalist Academy. And if you like what you hear, and you're going to get a lot of great info in there, if you like what you hear, definitely come back to my channel and use my referral link, guys, to join the Academy. There's still some seats left available, and it's super reasonable, guys. For about the price of a Starbucks coffee, guys, you can learn the skill of being a stock market trader, guys. It is a skill. Now, there are tons and tons of courses out there that are going to charge you thousands of dollars. Guys, this is a cup of coffee a day, and I always have the link posted up in my banner. It'll say Capitalist Academy. If you can't find it, ask me. I will help you find that. Guys, if you want a private mentorship and someone to lead you through this process, guys, there's a lot of sharks in the water. There's a lot of scammers out there. This is a legitimate academy that I personally endorse, guys. So please, if you're interested, definitely check that out. Guys, welcome into the live stream. I really wanted to get on with you guys last night, and I was just guys, I just didn't get a chance to get on with you guys, and I know a lot of people go live on Fridays, and I didn't want to step on anybody else's live. I'm usually pretty considerate about that. I try not to go live while some of my other friends are doing their live streams. Good morning, Bernie. Welcome in. Thank you, Bernie, all the way from South Africa, guys. Check out Bernie's Arts and Crafts. Fantastic supporter. Great girl, guys. Check her out and please add her to your YouTube family. Welcome in, Scott from Rambling with the Brums. Good morning. Good morning. Welcome in, Natalie. Thank you, guys. I think everybody here has a channel. And if you'd like to help somebody else out and have amazing support coming back to your channel, definitely check out the people that you're going to see in the chat today, guys. So, yeah, I wanted to give a big shout out to Peter and the Capitalist Academy, guys. I'm a part of that. My new job, I work in the morning time, guys. So when I do come on live during the week, it will have to be in the evening. I'll try to maybe do some power hour videos, which is between 3 and 4. That last hour before the stock market closes is called power hour, and I love to come on and do that because you can see live, you can see what's going on, and a lot of times things move a lot in that last hour and you can make some money. So I like to try to hop on and do a power hour video. If I'm home in time to do that, I will try to do that on Fridays, guys. Welcome in, guys. Hey, we got Pallets. How you doing? She is from Ireland, all the way from Ireland, guys. What time is it over there, Pallets? Thank you so much for joining me. We got Squirrels World. Everybody saying their hello, guys. Appreciate you watching, guys. Thank you so much, guys. There's a lot of news. There's a lot of things going on, and I'm just going to share. Welcome in, Charlene Hill. We got amazing Charlene Hill. She has 2 different channels, guys. If you want to check her out. Okay, business services and opportunities is Charlene's second channel. Welcome in, Masshole Grower. Welcome in, my friend. Another hard worker out there, Masshole Grower. I am really stoked for you. You just started a new job not that long ago, and he's already moving up, guys. He's already moving up, doing great things, and I'm really stoked for you, man. I'm glad that you took on that challenge, and that is going to bless you for sure, guys. That is going to bless you, guys. So let me take the chat box off so that I could share my screen, guys. And I just want to share it just so that I have something to look at, and that you do too, so we can just look at some stocks here, guys, really quickly. I want to show you some things so that I don't forget, because this is some going to be some money, and I'm glad that Masshole Grower is in the chat, because I want to talk about pot stocks, guys. I want to talk about the pot stocks, guys. Over here on the top right hand corner, you have a pot stock called Clever Leaves, guys. I've done a video on it. I'll try to post a link in the description, but if you look at my company informational videos, you'll see it. This stock ran huge this week, guys, up 143%. Now, why, you may ask, are the pot stocks running, guys? Why are they running? Well, the House is getting ready to vote on that bill, guys. Next week, this week coming up, the vote is going to go to the U.S. House, okay, for a vote. And guess what? It's a long time coming. I think they will finally decriminalize marijuana, and I think your pot stocks, guys, are going to start to go on a rip roaring tear, guys. Now, to be smart about it. This is what people do, and this is what people do generally in the stock market. What they do is they buy the rumor, sell the news. What does that mean? Buy the rumor. When you start to hear this buzz come out, no pun intended, when you start to hear the buzz come out about like, say, for instance, yeah, the bill going to the House, okay, or some other news, that's big news is coming out, what people do is they buy into the stock early, and then the day of the vote, say, they'll sell into the strength of the stock, guys. So basically, they're going to play that run up, right? And this is how you can be safe with it. You see how Clever Leaves ran up. This is just one. There's Sundial. I mean, you name it. There's tons of them. Everybody has a different favorite pot stock, right, guys? So what a strategy is that you could use is you buy into the strength of it, and then before the news comes out, you go ahead and you sell that thing at all-time high before the sell-off, guys. So before the greed sets in, okay, before that euphoria sets in, guys, you want to sell that thing and make that money before, on the run up, guys, not after the news breaks and everything, because there may be a massive sell off, because a lot of people do this strategy. They buy into it, they buy the rumor, and they sell the news, and you'll say, well, this great news came out, and then the stock dropped. Yes, because they play against your psychology, guys. They know that you're going to rush into it. And as soon as you rush into it and run it up, big money, which is who moves the stock market, guys, big money, when they see it getting to that peak, they dump it and they leave you holding the bag, guys. But can you make money on the run up? Yes. Um, is it very risky? Yes, but it's definitely something that you want to put on your watch list, guys. Another stock I wanted to talk about is Tesla, my Tesla, guys. Tesla is up, holy smoke, like 10% in the past 2 weeks, guys. Tesla's doing amazing. My last video on Tesla, you'll see it's called Tesla Rally. Guys, it was rallying, but I didn't know it was going to rally this great. Look at this chart here, straight up like you're climbing a mountain, guys. This is just this week, guys. This is just this week, okay? Tesla's doing fantastic, and the reason they are is because they opened the Gigafactory out in Berlin, Germany. Now, Elon Musk flew out there and he to personally uh, give away that first vehicle, turn over that first vehicle coming off the production line to that customer, right? To speak to everybody. Very exciting time, guys. And you know what? The Austin, Texas factory is going to open too soon. And so many things Tesla's working on, guys. This is just uh, this is going to be a beast of a stock. I was wrong. I thought it would get another dip before we got up to 1,000, but she just kept running, guys. She just kept running. Another one I talk about is Nintendo. I occasionally will remind people to get Nintendo. Nintendo trades on the Japanese stock exchange, so it is not subject to the volatility in the U.S. markets or in China or in the China markets. Okay, guys, I like the stock very much. The stock has been running lately. It's up to $67.11, and I'm about to be profitable on my Nintendo shares. And not only that, Nintendo pays a dividend, guys. So this is one that you may want. This stock does not move up and down in large swings very much, but it is a great stock pick. I see a huge future for Nintendo, especially in the metaverse space. The metaverse, like the second version of the internet, and how we're going to virtually be doing things and playing games, and it's just going to be awesome. Virtual reality, all that good stuff. I think Nintendo's going to have a lot of fantastic products and games coming out for the metaverse, guys. This is one that you may want to grab a couple shares of. And finally, and you probably can't see it, but I got my Dogecoin up, guys. Dogecoin this week, it went up 10%, guys. And a lot of times when Elon Musk is doing great and Tesla's doing great, you're going to see Dogecoin follow suit. And I think he has a lot of plans to somehow link Dogecoin with what's going on at these different factories. And I think he's getting into the gaming space eventually, too, guys. I'm a big Dogecoin fan, so that is fantastic news for Dogecoin. So I will stop sharing the screen, guys, so that I can get back to the chat. But those are four stocks I'm excited about and ones that you may want to put on your watch list as well, guys. So I hope everybody's doing great, and I hope you like my stock picks. Hey, good morning, Peter. Thank you so much. There are tons of stocks out there that are dirt cheap right now that are really really worth it. Another one I want to mention is Palantir, guys. The world is not ready for Palantir, guys. Check out this channel called ticker symbol U, and he has a second channel where he does live streams, and he talked to an expert in this field, uh, of someone that knows the actual inner workings of Palantir, and it is awesome, guys. It is really really awesome. This is another cheap stock that you're going to want to grab some shares of. I'm telling you what, guys. I'm telling you what. Peter is saying he personally believes that uh, Microsoft will be over $400 per share. Another great one. Microsoft is going to be a huge part of the metaverse, Peter. A huge part, guys. Huge, huge, huge. Bill Gates is all over it, guys. Bill Gates, and the stock is really not that expensive, guys. Honestly, Microsoft stock has a ton more room that it could run. That's a great, great stock pick, guys. Maxwell says, I was going to ask about the metaverse. Glad you mentioned it. Yeah, thank you, man. Now, here's the thing. Now, I got up early this morning because I'm used to getting up early now, guys. And I'm trying to get out there and move around more. Um, so I took the dogs out to the park, got my coffee, guys, right? Went to Wawa, got my coffee. Always do that, guys. I'm very predictable. And then I took my dogs to the park. It was still dark out, but they have these beautiful like walkway lights. So, and there was enough light where I felt safe and literally had the entire park to myself. And I took the dogs out there and I stayed out there walking for a full hour. That's my goal, is to stay more active, guys. So I went out and I took them out for a full hour, guys. Now, why am I mentioning that? Well, the metaverse, of course, is where you put your VR headset on and you're virtually going into um, this new world, right? This whole digital world. The problem with that is, guys, you're not moving around a whole lot, guys. It's very sedentary, guys. So you have to be very careful as you're getting more interested and more involved in this whole metaverse thing. You have to realize that for the most part, unless they now I'm sure they will have fitness apps included in that. But what you have to realize is it's very sedentary activity, guys, and you have to limit this in your life. I think it will do great. People will absolutely love it. But what you want to make sure of is that you don't get completely consumed by it, guys. Because at the end of the day, that's not good for our health, guys. So yeah, that's something you want to keep in mind. Do I want to learn about it? Yeah, I want to try it out, but I definitely don't want to get sucked into that vortex and totally addicted to it where I'm just sitting around all day with my, in virtual reality, guys. And I'm sure it will be addictive, guys. So just uh so just something to be mindful of. Yeah, Bernie, because it's not really widely used yet. But you will. You're gonna have your own avatar, your own sort of digital representation of you, and you can customize that however you want, right? You can change your outfits. You could people buy digital virtual sneakers, right? Everything, even Nike's getting into it, selling virtual sneakers and stuff like that. And I think Dogecoin is going to be huge into that, as far as being almost very integrated into uh, all of this. As far as using it as digital currency in that world. So, just my personal opinion, guys. But I really I think it will be. That's my personal opinion. Now, do you want to limit your exposure to crypto? Absolutely. Don't make it a huge part of your portfolio. Maybe 1 or 2%, guys, and I think you will be safe doing that, guys. You really will. Um, you have to use risk management, which is something that we teach in the Capitalist Academy, guys. You have to use risk management. It's not even like, oh, maybe I will. No, you really have to, because you will get killed out there. You saw my short video about how you have to educate yourself to become a trader. You really do, guys. And there are a lot of safer strategies out there. There are a lot of safer strategies out there. When the stock market's real volatile and scary and things look like it's going to be a stock market crash, there are a lot of techniques that you can use to still consistently make money. The group is making money, guys. The group is making tons of money on Tesla, trading Nvidia. I traded AMD this week, made some money, guys. I don't put my trades out. uh, I wasn't on a lot this week, guys, so I didn't really share my trading ideas. But AMD did good this week, guys, and I made a little few tendies on AMD. And shout out to the Traders Helping Traders group. Guys, everybody over there is killing it, guys. It's definitely worth the investment, guys. It's definitely worth the investment. So thank you for joining me. Hey, we got Bariotic Boy. Thank you, Bariotic Boy. Love you, man. He's over in the Philippines. I saw a bunch of short clips of people wearing those goggles and like running full force into a wall or a door. It really does throw off your sense of balance, and you are blocked out from the physical world. So you know, yeah, I mean, you don't want to be doing anything dangerous when you have on those VR goggles, guys. You probably want to just sit down and chill and check it out, because I've seen people give them to like their grandpa, like, here, grandpa, put this on, and like grandpa's falling over and stuff, and it really is so realistic that it really it's something you have to get used to, because it will throw you off. Boeing, man, I tell you what, the Boeing, they had a huge crash in China, man. That was crazy. I don't know what Boeing's going to do. Every time they seem to be doing good, uh, now, of course, we're always going to use Boeing to make new. We're going to make new jets. We're going to make new airplanes, right, guys? The world needs those products. But man, Boeing took a hit because they had a huge crash. Very, very sad. Current situation, yeah, it's a little shaky, but long term, I don't think Boeing's going anywhere. Boeing's probably a pretty good stock pick for your long term, but you want to try to buy it on the dip. Like when the crash happened, that was a perfect opportunity to buy in for long term, guys. But it definitely took a good hit when the crash happened. Unfortunately, that's not the first time that Boeing jets have crashed. But yeah, for long term, yeah, good time to grab it up. Yeah, yes. Masshole says, I think drone tech is going to wipe out planes. Well, they're actually making drones big enough. They're called EVTOLs, and they are like strong enough and big enough to hold human beings. They're going to have these vertical takeoff and landing drones, essentially. Sort of visualize like a helicopter, but it's like a large drone, and they can transport people. What I'm excited about is when they are going to start doing package delivery, which UPS is already using drone technology to do package delivery, guys. And I did a video on that. It's called, I was talking about workhorse stock, but within that video about workhorse, which I think they're using it as well, you will see the UPS driver with the drone on top of the UPS truck, and they have it programmed to go deliver that person's package in these remote areas, and the drone picks up the package, flies it to the landing pad. Of course, it needs an official like drop off point, and some of them are even boxes that you can have that are secured, like kind of think about the Amazon locker, but the drone lands on top of the Amazon locker, so to speak. And of course Amazon's working on it too, Google's working on it too, guys. All these things are coming to fruition. It's just not, probably not this year, but you will start to see this technology, and it's pretty exciting to think about what they could do with the drones. They're even doing them in war now. Another stock I have, guys, I want to mention this, is a stock called Alpine 4 Holdings. The ticker for that is ALPP. Check out ALPP, guys. I'm going to do an update video on that one of these days. Now, they're not profitable yet, but what I like about this company is they're highly diversified. They not only deal with drones, they have awesome drone technology, which could be used in war, by the way. The Alpine 4 drones actually have a battery technology that makes the battery bulletproof, guys. It's really, really fascinating. And one of their companies within Alpine 4 makes batteries that are literally bulletproof. So you can think of the use case for that as far as military using these drones. to do operations, right, guys? So that's pretty amazing, and they're the type of company that buys other smaller companies, so sort of like a conglomerate, right? And one of their companies is a battery technology company that makes the bulletproof battery. So if you want to read up on that, it's a real fascinating company. They have a lot of great products, and it's one that I am personally invested in. I think I will have 100 shares next week. I think I have 75 now, but I'm planning on adding to it because the stock is only a dollar and some change, which is a fantastic time to add on to it. 3D printing, another fantastic. Now, these are a lot of these companies are small cap. What does that mean? Well, they're like babies. They're in their infancy, right, guys? They're growing. They're not billion-dollar companies like Apple or Coca-Cola, right? Small cap companies, very small, like maybe 10 to 30 million dollar companies, right? But the reason they're risky is because everybody's, of course, they could go to zero, right? Maybe they won't make it. But if they do make it and you're buying them at like a dollar and some change and technically a penny stock, right? And they do make it, well, you can 2x, 3x, 5x, 10x, 30x your money buying these dollar stocks, guys. And it's not bad to have one or two of them as a high risk speculative play, right? It's not bad to have a couple sort of like buying a scratch off ticket, right, guys? Same premise, premise. Is there a big chance you could lose all that money you bought on the scratch off? Yes. And shout out to Scratch and Pete, guys. A lot of great YouTubers out here doing that are in the scratch off community, but same difference, guys. Buy yourself one of these penny stocks, one that you think is cool. For me, Alpine 4 had a lot of great things going for it. Really, really has a great guys. It is just I've researched it and it's got a lot of good things going for it. But like all small caps, guys, they all got kind of crushed this past year. This past year, a lot of them are down like 60, 70%, guys. But when do you buy stocks like this, guys? Now, when they're down to like $1.50 or $2, guys, now is the time to buy these stocks. Perfect example, Clean Spark, guys. Clean Spark is bouncing and it's up huge now. Everything goes. I think our small cap bull run is we are right on the cusp of it, guys. And I think the month of April is going to be fantastic. I think any of these smaller stocks that you pick, uh, meaning under $5, I think you're going to make money with them. I really do. Hey, what's up? What's up? What's up? Welcome in. Scrapping, hoarding, tankering fun. Thank you so much. I was catching your live stream last night. Sorry I didn't stay on too long, guys. I was tired. I had a busy week at work, learning a totally different job, guys. So I was kind of beat. But I was out and about on the streets of YouTube and I was checking out some of you guys that went live, and I really find your channel interesting. I am looking forward to getting to know your channel a lot better, my friend. Thank you so much for joining me. I appreciate that. So yeah, guys, I just wanted to hop on real quick. I didn't want to stay on too long, guys. I wanted to say hello to everybody and explain to you guys what happened. Usually, Nora always goes live Friday mornings, but I will not be able to do Friday mornings. I will be able to do Friday afternoons. Let me know. I'm on Instagram. I'm on Twitter, guys. Let me know what a good time is for you guys. I'll put my info down there so you can check out my other socials. Guys, let me know when a good time frame is on Friday night. What's a good time slot? What's best for you? Reach out to on my socials and let me know. Let me know here in the chat. Let me know in the comments. What's a good time for Fridays? I do like to come on Fridays and do a weekly recap of the stock market, but I want to make it where it's convenient for you guys as well. So the more people that answer that question for me, they'll give me a better idea of when is the best time to come on for everybody. And of course, we always do channel shout outs, the whole shebang, guys. Always trying to help out other friends here on YouTube, guys. Tuber Chat has been a big help with that. Running Egg, guys, check out those channels. A big shout out to Commander Vlogs. He's getting back into doing channel promotions again. A lot of fun, guys. Yeah, so definitely let me know when is the best time to come on, and I look forward to hanging out with you guys. I really do. You guys are amazing. Mr. Bubbles, what's up, Mr. Bubbles? How you doing? 10 p.m. Oh, you're. You know what? Honestly, I probably will still be awake at 10 p.m. I don't know. I'll consider it. We could give it a try. We could give it a try. That might be a winner chicken dinner time slot. Got Paralife TV here, Shane. Thank you so much. Appreciate you, Shane. Appreciate you. And thanks for hanging out, everybody. Tuber chat, right? Yeah, yeah, guys. Tuber chat is very consistent. He goes on Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday consistently. Now, what changes is the time, which is good because each time he can reach out to people. You have to realize YouTube is worldwide, guys. YouTube's worldwide. We got people watching from all over the world. And if you don't change your times up sometimes, you're going to always miss those people in the UK, those people in Australia, those people sometimes, uh, we even have Bernie, South Africa, guys. All you have to think about the whole world, and you really, that's the great thing about YouTube, guys. You get on here and you can talk with people from all over the world. It is really awesome. So yeah, guys, so late night stock talk with Nora. Yeah, yeah. I may have to do that, guys, because I need time to wind down and yeah, maybe we'll do a late one, guys. That'd be awesome, guys. So yeah, guys, that I wanted to just reach out to you guys, let you know what's going on in my world, and I'll probably come on tomorrow too, guys. I'll probably come on tomorrow morning, probably more around 10:30 or 11 a.m., guys, and we can do this again, guys. Thank you so much for joining me, and guys, I'll see you tomorrow, guys. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great weekend, everybody. Love you guys. Peace.